I'm not being biased. Look at Mary Brown's. It's white. And Church's is perfect on the inside. So yeah, my grading is on the inside from the out. Well, you buy it on the outer part first. So my grading is from the outer part, then you get it on the inside, right? So if it's from the outer part, then get it on the inside. Mary Brown comes first. Church's come second. I don't want to confuse you. Church's come second. And sometimes I find a problem with Popeyes too. But for some reason today, what KFC is done properly. So first is Mary Brown, second Church's, third Popeyes, fourth KFC then, and Jollibee I give last because of the inside. And that's it for this video, guys, and see you in the next one.